Hi there guys, you join me on the Bakerloo line. These trains recently turned 50 years old on the 26th of June, and when you ride these trains they give you that classical London Underground experience. There's nowhere else on the network that gives you that experience. Now, time for some history. Take it away, Editor Ben. In the early 1970s, the 1938 tube stock on the Bakerloo and Northern lines was life expand and due for a replacement. Tentative design for a new Northern Line fleet were abandoned when the go-ahead was given for the Piccadilly line to be extended to Heathrow Airport. That required a total new fleet of trains to replace the 1959 stock then in use. The plan was made to transfer the 1959 trains to the Northern Line to allow the worst of the 1938 stock there to be scrapped, but there were only 76 1959 stock tube trains, and the Northern Line needed more than that to originally operate. It was planned to refurbish around 30 of the 1938 trains, but this was scrapped in favour of 30 new trains of 1972 stock Mark 1. The 1972 stock was ordered in a hurry, so there was no time to create a new design. The trains were based on the 1967 tube stock on the Victoria line, almost identical looking. The 1972 trains had a guard and door controls in the rear car and were not compatible with the 1967 tube stock. Throughout in its later years, some 1972 stock Mark 1 cars were adopted to run with the 1967 trains on the Victoria line, being formed in the middle due to the lack of ATO equipment. The 1972 stock was built in Washwood Heath, England, and constructed between 1972 and 1974, and the first train entered service on the 26th of June 1972. Thanks, Editor Ben. What I love about the 1972 stock, that the seats are very, very comfortable. Now here is a montage of the workforce that has served London for the last 50 years. Enjoy. London Underground experience. How many more years will these trains serve the Bakerloo line? I don't know, but until then, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys very soon.